Shakey's B-League rolls along as Ateneo took the opening set. And Arellano needs to tighten its grip on the game. And look at the smile of Eliza Valdez. And look at this, we already have...
Ganyan din na smile ni Barry Pasco eh.
Oo nga, dahil walang stats na lumabas eh. We have... May Tajima coming in just a nakikipag-chismisan pa kayo. Di mo, Tereko, nagchichismisan pa sila naging balse. Ano kaya pinag-uusapan ng mag-ate ron?
Hindi mo pwedeng mag-classmate to sa klase mo, no? Hindi mo pwedeng pagsama-samahin.
Just sakit sa ulo niyan. In the meantime, let's go. Anong nangyari sa Arellano ng first set, Mose?
Well, I think sila Ging Balse were getting less touches, getting less sets. And Henson really played well. Pero yung blocking na Ateneo, surprisingly talaga na mga very consistent.
Okay.
Lagi natin napapansin ng Ateneo yung blocking nila. Pero in the first set, consistently there.
The least known facet of their game, actually. Here's Valdez. Joust at the net. Balse jousting with Kainlet, and they recycle. Picked up by Ibiza. We've got an exchange of good digs. Nice soft stuff. Picked up now. We go with Henson. Magkagulo na kayong lahat dyan.
Si Jem Ferrer halos lumipad para lang makarating dun sa bola. Well, Arellano in the first set, had more attack points than Ateneo, having 13. Ateneo having only 11, pero sa blocking. Ang Ateneo having 3 blocks, ang Arellano having only 1. And Arellano just too much errors. 8 errors. Ang Ateneo, 1. You know, 1 error lang in that first set.
Ako may suggestion ako sa mga producers natin. Huwag lang best player of the game. Meron pa yung most popular player of the game. Manalo si May Tajima. Ang bibigay niyo mojos. Diba?
Pag sumali ng Pinipining Pilipinas, what's your talent?
Ayan.
Volleyball. Diba?
Pero carry niya yung yung kumakain ng apoy. Sabi niya sa akin kanina, binugan niya kanta lang yung apoy. Akala ko may apoy na lalabas talaga kanina.
Huwag naman.
Malokar nito no? Ayan na. Ayan, galit ang serve. Here we go. Balse. Tama na yung happiness na yan.
Too much smiling on the other side. Sabi niya, tama, let's wipe out that smile.
Too much happiness kayo dyan. It is 2-3, however. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. You're watching the Shakey's B-League here on the GMA News TV channel. Glad you could join your Suli Sef Sarmenta and Mosi Rabena and Rina Villamor. Here is Bautista. Isog mangyapon.
Medyo nasa ilalim siya ng bola.
Si Nene hinahanap niya yung zone doon sa kabila na butas eh. Kaso masyadong malakas. Valdez will serve 4-2. Henson, steady.
That was too low.
Masyadong mabaga.
Yes, that was too low.
Kasi bumaba pa si Tikar eh. Kung open set yung binigay niya, kaya siguro yan.
So Salamagos, 4 points. Henson with 3. Dakis having 5. Valdez with 4.
Henson. Top spin. Top spin. Nagkagulo si Tikar at si Bautista. Timeout forthcoming. I can tell. Or at least a change in the lineup.
Malapit na rin kasi ang technical timeout.
Hindi na kukuha yan. Sayang. Why waste one?
Tikar, 8 excellent sets. Jem Ferrer with 15.
Axel is our official outfit here in the Shakey's League. Salamagos gets that to go. But look, desperation by Dakis. Pwede. Sabi nila. Lazaro. Free ball. Salamagos. Fake.
And Sagun getting that point in spite of 3 blockers coming from Ateneo.
Ateneo tried to claim that there was a net touch actually. Minsan yan baka kayo pa may cost ng net touch dyan eh. But it is 3-6 as Donna Henson will serve. Hala.
Lakas.
Oo. Huli si Tejada. Kainlet tracks it down. Bautista whips it. Whips it good. Dakis. Henson one-hander. Free ball fourth coming from Tikar. Ferrer
for that combination play, gets that point.
Watch it once more. If we can.
Noon nakita mo panurin niyo si Phil kung paano siya nag-stretch para abutin yung bola yun.
Parang out of reach, no? Overextended and a bit. Here's Kainglet's serve. Ateneo's service just sailing down nicely actually on the front row. Lisidakis para labas. Ateneo at 8. Arellano at 3. Ateneo took the first set. Back in a moment.